Betsy Malloy Photography. Leave these items behind. Anything you don't need, that includes that pile of store discount cards, the office keys, and anything else you don't need while you're in the park. They take up space and weigh you down. A small waist pack or sling bag works well to carry the rest. Anything embarrassing, your bags will be inspected at the park entrance. Food and drinks, they aren't allowed inside the park except for water, fruit, and baby food. Leave the GoPro at home. Most rides have strict no video/photo policies inside. Pets, animals aren't allowed inside the theme park, except for trained service animals. Leave your furry friends somewhere else if you can. If you bring them on your trip and need a kennel, see the information at the end of this guide. Your car, if you're staying at a nearby hotel, ask if they have a shuttle. It may save you the cost of parking. If you're too far away for a hotel shuttle, you can ask if there's an MTA station nearby and take that to the Universal Studios stop.